Okay guys, how's everybody doing? I got the reverse piston here, and we've taken the 3 rings, seals out. So we got large, medium, and small. We got the kit. They come in the kit. Large, medium, and small. Low reverse clutch kit, large, medium, and small. Going to go ahead and install the inner one, which goes in this inside shaft. And it just takes a little bit of finesse, get it in there, and run your finger around it, good to go. Secondly, we'll take the next bigger size, go ahead and get it on there, work it around, hold it in place, work it around. Got it in there. Thirdly, we'll take the largest one, get it started. It's a flat square washer. Call it square, but it's not square. Get all 3 of those in. Good to go. The sub kit 997C, low reverse clutch. All the rings are in. We're going to take some assembly goo, and we'll take the assembly goo, put on the rings. Assembly goo. Put that on pretty good over the rings. And we're done with the reverse low piston. And what we'll do is we'll go to our case and we'll go ahead and put some assembly lube in our case. And to do that, I'm going to move the camera downwards And we're going to move up. Give me a second. Okay, we're focused in on the case. And we're going to go ahead and assembly lube all the places that them rings would hit inside the case. So basically I'm going to get everything I can in there. Everywhere that the piston rings are going to hit, I'm going to put this assembly glue on. So it'll slide nice and neat. You want to make sure your case is completely clean before you do this. You don't want no trash in there. There's an indent right here where my finger is. The valve body facing you. The indent's going to be on the left side, 9 o'clock. So, this assembly lube, what it does is when it heats up, it melts and it mixes in with your fluid. Doesn't hurt the transmission fluid at all, but it makes your assembly much easier. I'm putting it on a little bit thick because like I said, this is my first one ever, and we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. We'll take our little tab right here, the notch that sticks out, put it at the 9 o'clock position. I think that's got it. And it says take your shaft and tap it in with your shaft. So, I'm gonna make sure that's in there. Left and right, it's twisting. We'll get the input shaft and give it a couple taps. Okay, you guys see that pretty good? The tone is changing, so I'd say it bottomed out pretty good. And that's that on installing your low reverse piston. The low reverse piston is in, assembly glue and all. and we'll be back with the next steps. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks once again for watching.